and welcome back to Lana's Makeup Minute. But seriously, who's counting that minute? Last week we did foundation, and today we're gonna be doing eyes. First, we're gonna be doing eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the MAC Graphblack Technakohl eyeliner Kajabal. This stuff is like really good. I'm gonna be doing the popular winged eye look. Just remember, you're just lining your eye. Go in, go out, and go in, and back down. Go underneath. Go there, outlining your eye. Boom! They're like perfectly symmetrical. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Leopard Skin. It's the coolest palette ever. I'm gonna be using the MAC 217 brush. You take the palette and the brush, right? And you just do that. That's all you do. That's all you do. You brush it on. And a lot of people don't realize this, but you're actually supposed to go around the eye. Like such. Beautiful! Thank you guys so much for tuning in Lana's Makeup Minute, but seriously, who's counting? Next week, we're gonna be doing our brows. I'll see you next week. Bye!